You guys have been seeing this angle for quite a long time now, and let's show you my study desk or slash study space. So I would be starting from one corner, I would say, and let's take it from the corner, not the top, okay?
FBI, open up!
Yes, you would be not imagining like behind this you would be seeing like a huge pile of books, but the thing is like whatever I'm studying, like for current I'm studying oscillations, waves, GOC, hydrocarbons, like all the ending chapters of all the portion biology. I'm on plant physiology and stuff, so I just take my regular books which I'm studying and just keep it here because it's more convenient, I would say. Here I have a book, to-do list, but I would be using the Excel sheets nowadays, and I've also mentioned it in my previous videos, so you can check them out too. It would be in the description box below. This is a printer, right? I use it to print my notes, like the handwritten notes of professors, which is just given to us in the WhatsApp message forms, right?
Oh my god! Wow!
Here I have more sticky notes. Okay, so GOC, right? I was learning SI effect and minus I effect. I was just trying to read examples and write it with me, but the thing is, I don't know, I just lost the track, I would say, and hopefully we would continue this tomorrow because it's freaking right. Can you see? Yes, it's 3 a.m. now and I'm shooting this now. Okay, and obviously you need a dustbin, it's more convenient. Then some more sticky notes. Okay, please don't fall, don't get rude.
Stop it. Get some help.
Obviously the star of my videos, as always, the calendar, which you see every single time in my video. Yes. Then I have a bottle. Actually the bottle's color is pretty nice and cute, but you're not able to see it in this video. I don't know why. I would just put it here, right? This is the color of this bottle. It's kind of cute, but it's not just getting into this video. I don't know why. Okay. Then I have this hourglass showpiece kind of thing. Yes, it's cute. My mom gifted it to me quite a while ago. A pouch that I thought about, like the news was that the offline classes have started, and I thought that mine would be too, but you know what, it just didn't, and this just became another addition to my big chain over my study desk. So here you see, and here I have a home fragrance. Again, it's lavender oil, and I will just pop the image right here. Yes, and you just dip the sticks into the lavender oil and it just fragrances your room and slowly and steadily your entire house. So I just dip it in the oil like once a week. A speaker, Boat 650R, right? Then obviously what is it? Oh my god, I just forgot what it was. Paperweight, yeah. Then I have two paperweights. I use this more frequently, as you would have seen in my previous videos. Two pencil stands, again a pocket for this sharpener. Then charts. Okay, let me tell you one by one what charts do I have on the softboard. From here we have plant kingdom up till here. Non-coordinates from animal kingdom. It's most of the examples, like no theory obviously, for just remembering and just revising most of the time. Just random sticky notes. Then I have practical lectures, and it's the just timetable, and this particular one is the syllabus of my class 11th exam. Right, you heard me right, and you would be like, oh my god.
Okay.
Yes, I haven't done my class 11th examinations yet. Then yes, we have a differentiation chart, differentiation rules. This is from April when the classes began, like literally. So
Okay.
Then more physics formulas, functional groups. This is a thermodynamic chart. Again, formulas. It's just basically formulas and stuff. Then hard, like diversity chapters of biology are like so tough. So for the examples and all, I just make biological classification, fumbling, right? Then, okay, now it's not focusing. Yes, thank you.
What the heck is going on?
I said, shut up, you bucket of bolts.
This is the living world functional group chart from the NCRT. This is trigonometry. This one is the mnemonics for groups, like Lina ki rab se faryad. It's just, I don't know. I don't know what is.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay. Oscillations, horizontal projectile, obviously periodic table. Things are just piled up over one above the other. I'm so sorry for that, but yes, here we have morphology of flowering plants, right? Cute. Okay, so I guess this is it, and yeah, these are some of the small crafts that my sister made.
Oh my God! Wow!
Also have a bookshelf over here, so if you guys want a small tour, this drawer is used for chemistry books. This one is for biology books. This one is again for biology kind of, and for the books which I have not used till, some of the class 12 books and some of my school books and stuff, and some of the new books which I have to use. This is an laptop drawer, but you don't know why I don't keep my laptop over here. We are rebel. Then this one is my drawer for books for physics. This one is the drawer for chargers and stuff. Then this one is for just random stationery of arts and other things. So I hoped you liked this video, and if you did, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. And make sure to comment. I asked you a lot to comment in this video. I'm just forgetting everything.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh my god, just rewind the video and just comment. Okay, you can comment me suggestions. Okay, then that's it. Bye. Okay, bye.